All right, welcome back, traders. This is Irvin here, team with Irvin. Welcome to midweek forex analysis for the week of January 3rd to the 7th. So this is our very first trading analysis that we're doing for the fiscal year 2022. So welcome to our midweek forex analysis trading with our website tweforexsystem.com. So here it is. Let's see what our forex trading has to offer us this week so far. So guys, we are gonna be doing a session tomorrow. We're gonna go live on our Zoom so you can ask questions and answers and so on. So make sure you tune in. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you what the market is doing. So all we're gonna be doing, guys, is we're just gonna review the market. We're gonna go over the video that we did give it to you guys over the weekend, so you can identify if the market is on point. It's not. Remember, market is still a bit slow, guys. There's not much movement on the market. Most likely it's gonna come back on mid this month or either the first week of February. But all I can see here, guys, one of the pair that I did give you guys on over the weekend was GBP USD. This is what I told everyone, guys. Very easy, very straightforward. But before we move on, guys, let me give you our forex disclaimer, which is very important, guys. I'm not your financial advisor, not giving you a signal, nothing like that. Remember, guys, I'm here in our forex channel. We highly recommend you to do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business is very risky. You can win huge and you can also blow your account if you don't know how to trade. If you need help, please let us know. We are here to help you out. We can give you the right instruction on what to do and so on, but it's not, I don't mean like saying, okay, it's gonna be a signal so you can be depending on what I'm gonna be saying. No, our goal here is to teach you to trade like a pro, so like that you don't have to waste your money in stupid signals. Bro, signals is not good, guys. So if you want to get a mentorship and training, all the links are in the description of this video. Make sure you get in touch with us. But here, let me explain you how our multiple time frame works. So our multiple time frame in here, guys, the GBP USD, it is bullish. If you disagree with me, I'm gonna prove it to you so you can see it. So this is what I'm seeing here. Market here is clearly saying, Irvin, we are in a buy position. Our multiple time frame white arrows also confirming that we are in a buy position. Our TW sniper entry confirming that we are in that buy position. Our blue arrow with the dot is also in a buy position. Look at the buy, and more bullish. So market is only doing one thing. I always pay attention to the dashboard, guys. Always pay attention to the dashboard. The dashboard will give you the answer, like it or not. And here, market is bullish. But what did I tell you guys over the weekend? Now, this is what I say, guys. Market still has potential to push up. Then what happened from there? Look at the candle. Boom, almost in there. And then I said the market was gonna come back and retest your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level. It just came a little bit lower, which is fine. And then from there, I said the market was gonna continue in a buy position. Why? Because it's clearly here that we're still in a bullish trend. So this trade here is pretty good, guys. Remember, we're not here to hit home run, get 100% of our analysis week after week. Yes, there will be some weeks where we're always gonna be right, some months where we're gonna be right, but there will be some times where we are gonna make mistake. Trend is gonna go against us because news, there's many different factors. But if we stick to our plan and win at least 75 to 80% of our of our trade, that's a damn pretty good month or week or however you want to name it. But this pair here is on point. Another pair that I did give you guys was Euro GBP. I really don't know if anyone in here is trading Euro GBP. And guys, another thing, let me know if you guys want me to make it a different type of video. Make sure everyone comment below and let me know, hey Irvin, I want you to do this type of video. Or if you guys want me to rename the title of our weekly analysis, let me know. Maybe trading weekly forex trading analysis, just that, or just let me know, give me some idea. And remember, guys, if you are watching us for the first time, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't ever miss any content from us. Remember, all we're doing today is our midweek Forex analysis for the week of the 3rd to the 7th, trading our multiple time frame system. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what our next pair is doing, which is our no, I already give it GBP USD, right? So the next pair is gonna be our Euro GBP. Are you ready? Let me show you this one. So here on our Euro GBP, guys, this is what I told you guys over the weekend. Look at how beautiful this trade is, guys. For all those traders that are watching us here for the first time, look at the dashboard. Every single time frame is selling at this real time. Right, so multiple time frame is letting us know that we are selling. Our TWE sniper entry is also confirming that we are selling. Our TWE red arrow is also confirming that we are selling. Look at those sell, beautiful sell. Look at right now, all this data did not exist. But what did I say on Sunday, guys? This is what I told you everyone on Sunday. I say, guys, the market is gonna either come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci level, which look at here, boom, the candle came almost identical what I told you, and then from there, what did I say? I said the market was gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame in here, which is nothing wrong, which is our 23.6 Fibonacci. From there, market was gonna do a continuation of the buy, but look at here, remember that the sellers are in charge in here, so the market just continued trending down, which is nothing wrong. So if the signal is clearly saying the market is selling, it's selling. That's it. That's all you need to worry about it. So all I can say right now, guys, market still selling. Market is getting ready to make a reversal, because remember the trend in here still selling. It's not saying, okay, Irving, the market is gonna be doing a buy position for a long time. No, to be honest, market here is still selling. So we're getting a signal saying, hey, Irving, market may go and make a small retracement, but overall the sellers are still in charge at this present time. Guys, let me know if you guys want me to make a different type of video, but this thing here that I'm giving you today is pretty neat, pretty amazing. So but so far everything is working out. I'm not saying, you know, it's gonna be a perfect year, nothing like that. Last year we did pretty amazing. I don't know what this 2022 is gonna be all about. All I'm asking, guys, all I want everyone to do here in favor of a return, if you guys are finding value so far right here on our channel, make sure everyone in here that is watching us here, make sure you do subscribe so you don't ever miss any content from us. It's very important, so for you to be on the top of the game, so every time we post a video, you will know exactly, oh, Irving just posted a video, let me go ahead and watch the video, and so like that you stay tuned with us. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss any content from us. All right, but like I said, guys, tomorrow we are gonna do a live Zoom class, so if you want to come in and experience how we do it behind scenes, you are more than welcome to do so. So I highly recommend everyone to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any content from us. All right, fair enough. All right, so any questions so far, guys? Any question? So the next pair that I'm gonna review right now, it is USD CAD. Let's see what USD CAD is doing. All right, so USD Canadian, this is what I told you guys over the weekend. This is what I was seeing, guys. So I want you to understand exactly what I was looking into it. So here's our multiple time frame, boom, letting us know we're not sell. Look at here, our white arrow also letting us know that we are selling. Look at here, TWE sniper entry letting us know we are in a sell. So this is what I told everyone on Sunday. I said clearly, guys, market still in a sell potential. Markets may still come back and retest this previous multiple time frame in here. It just came a little bit shy. But what did I say next? I said market is gonna retrace back to our 78.6 Fibonacci level. So market went all the way to our 50 Fibonacci level, which is nothing wrong with it. So this is good, guys. This leg, it hasn't happened yet. So market still trending on first leg, second leg. So market still accurate. So for all those traders here, what do you think the market is doing at this real time? What do you guys think this represent, guys? What do you guys think it does? It's very easy, very straightforward. Multiple time frame is super awesome, guys. This is considered a pullback against your what? Against your trend. That's what it is, guys. So multiple time frame right now is doing a pullback as a buy position. So the buyers are in control at this present time. All right. Any question, guys? What do you guys think? Does this make sense? If it does make sense, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you don't ever miss any content from us. So make sure you do that. All right, the next spread that I give you guys on make sure we do, before we do that, guys, is very important. Make sure everybody here, guys, like I said earlier, make sure you like, comment, share if you are finding value so far. So I already gave you 3 pairs, so those 3 pairs are on point. So not everything can be perfect, but there it is. Remember, all we're doing today, guys, is we are reviewing our midweek forex analysis, the video that we gave you over the weekend on Sunday. So all we're doing is the follow up today, so you can see the before and after. And we also gave you Euro USD. So this is one bad trade that did not work out based on our weekly analysis, but I'm gonna explain it to you because you are here trying to understand what the market is doing. So this is what I've been telling you since last year, guys. Since last year, I've been telling everyone here the market is doing a consolidation on this box. So market has been consolidating since November 2021. So we are in January 2022. So market has been consolidating for a while. So what is the market doing in here basically? So let me explain you the whole thing on how to use multiple time frame, because that's what you're here for, right? So multiple time frame clearly saying Irving, we're in a buy. Our white arrow is also in a buy. Our TWE is sniper interest in a buy. Our blue arrow is in a buy. Look at those buy, buy. But all this data did not exist on Sunday. So that's why we do our weekly analysis here on our Forex multiple time frame. That's why we do it here. Remember, what is multiple time frame? Forex trading is an international market where traders can buy or sell globally, and that's what we do here. So multiple time frame is about, you know, putting different time frame into one and trying to enter in a lower time frame. So by here on Sunday, I told everyone the following, guys. I want to be clear and honest to you guys. I never want to be dishonest because it does not make any sense to me. So I told everyone, guys, the market is what we have on Sunday was this bullish engulfing candle here. Look at this one. Look at how we got full here, guys. So I say, guys, market still has potential to push another probably 15, 20 more pips, and then the market is gonna do a small retracement. It never happened. So market from there, boom, it just dropped. It just dropped. Why? Because it's touching this previous multiple time frame, which is a nice level. So market from there, it dropped all the way to your 50 Fibonacci level. So but market failed to retest your 78.6 Fibonacci level. Then from here, market is going in favor of the original trend, which is bullish. So this is a bad trade. If I had to ask, if you ask me, Irvin, can you analyze Euro USD all over again? I would tell you stay away from this pair, guys. I'm still gonna give you the weekly analysis on this one, but stay away. It's good for you to learn that not everything in the market is perfect. But I did give you 4 pair this week, and out of those 4 pair, Euro USD is the one that is going against our weekly analysis. So still, then we're still on that 90% winning ratio. So it's still not a bad week for the first weekly analysis of year 2022, trading our multiple time frame system. So this is a damn pretty good week, guys. And make sure everybody hit the bell, subscribe, and share it with the world, guys. And make sure all we're doing today, guys, is our midweek forex analysis trading with our website tweforexsystem.com using our multiple time frame here in our forex trading channel. So this is Tim with Irvin here. I want to thank you and thank the world, and God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America, and God bless the world. So thank you, guys, and I will see you tomorrow on our live video. So stay tuned. Peace out. Tim with Irvin. Let's go.